Welcome to my short presentation on an article entitled Numerical Simulation of Crack Propagation in the Clinch joints. The article deals with numerical modeling of this extraordinary connection, which are used in thin-walled steel structure. The objective of this research is to determine how crack in this joint initiation and propagation under repeated loading. The joint failure can lead to the collapse of the entire structure. The model was created in software ANSYS as geometrically and materially nonlinear analysis, containing over 378,000 elements. The boundary conditions include load corresponding to the shear test and fine mesh in the neck area of the joint to capture stress concentration. A simplified fatigue analysis was performed comparing local stresses with the SN curve from the Eurocode. The analysis determined critical location and the number of cycles to the crack initiation. The most critical area was in the neck of the joint, where the service life was only 62 cycles. This indicates high stress concentration. Furthermore, stress initiation factor Q were calculated and it was determined that mode 1, crack opening, is dominant. The study demonstrated that numerical model can reliably predict critical location and help optimization of joint geometry.